children. Today we are going to learn about the Vedic civilization, chapter number 4. Let us see what is taught in this chapter. The Vedic literature, family system, day-to-day family agriculture, animal husbandry, economic and social life, religious ideas and political system. So this is the timeline which is shown when the Rig Veda started. Vedic literature is in Sanskrit, as we can see in this slide. Vedic literature is very rich and diverse. The civilization that is based on Vedic literature is known as Vedic civilization. The Vedas are considered to be our earliest literature. The Vedas were composed by many sages or rishis. Some Vedic hymns, means songs, were composed by women. Vedas are the main source of all Hindu knowledge and spiritual teachings. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Atharva Veda. The Rig Veda is considered to be the first text and it is in the form of verse. Slide, we are talking about the Vedic script, that is Vedic text. Vedic texts are known as Samiti. Vid means to know. The term Veda derives from Vid. It means knowledge. The Vedas have been preserved through the oral traditions and the Vedas are called as Shruti. Right, they have shown about the Vedas and the Upanishads in detail. Veda Samhita. Each verse of the Veda is known as a Richa. So the Vedas consisting of Richas are called Rig Veda. Richa means a verse composed to praise a deity. Deity means a god or a goddesses. When a number of Richas are put together to praise a particular deity, the poetic composition is called a Sukta. The Rig Veda consists of many suktas composed to praise the different deities. Yajur Veda contains mantras uttered during a yajna. Yajna means worship. Yajur Veda provides guidance about how and when the different mantras must be chanted during the yajna rites. Rites means during the worship service. This text includes the verses or poetic incantations and their explanation in prose. Veda provides guidance on singing Rig Vedic verses to a set rhythm and tune at the time of yajna rites. The Sam Veda has contributed a major way in laying the foundation of Indian music. You can see in this slide, the Atharva Veda is the 4th Veda and it is the Veda of magical formulas. The Atharva Veda is named after Atharva Rishi. This Veda is different from the other 3 Vedas. It is more concerned with many things in the day-to-day life of the people. It includes solution to adversity, that is problems and disease. It also provides information about medicinal herbs. The Atharva Veda provides guidance to a king about the way he should administer his kingdom. The Brahmana texts, Aryankas and the Upanishads were written after the composition of the Samhitas. They are also included in Vedic literature. Brahmana texts, they are composed to provide guidance on using Vedic mantras in yajna rituals in the worship service. Each Veda has independent texts called the Brahmanas. Asanka consists of the reflections or thoughts expressed after meditating with deep concentration in the forest or wilderness. Means in the forest they are trying to concentrate and write. The Aryankas are concerned with accurate, means correct, performance of the yajna rites. Term Upanishad indicates knowledge acquired by sitting at the feet of the teacher. Human beings have always wondered about events like life and death. It is not easy to find answers to them. The Upanishad discuss such serious and profound issues. Profound means talked about issues. Four Vedas, Brahmanas, Aryankas, and the Upanishads were composed over a period of 1500 years. During this long period, the Vedic civilization underwent many changes. The Vedic literature is an important source for the study of those changes and of the day to day life in the Vedic period. Family systems and day to day life. Joint family system was a prevalent in the Vedic period. Prevalent means existing. The Grahapati was the head of the family, a man responsible for the family. His family included his older parents, wife, and children, and also the families of the children, the younger brothers and their families. Means the eldest member of the family was the head of the family. This family system was patriarchal, means only the men of the family will be the head of the family. In the initial periods, there were references to women scholars such as Lopamutra, Gargi, Maitri in Vedic literature. However, slowly the restriction of the woman, restriction means going out of the house or doing the housework or whatever, etc., or studying. Women went on increasing and their position in the family and society became secondary, means lesser to the men's in the family. A house during the Vedic period were earthen or earthen means of mud, wab and dab constructions. Vrathal means wove lattice of wood strips which is dabbed with clay mixed with cowdon. They are telling the frame is wooden frame and then on that cowdon is put. A house was called a griha or shala. The diet of the people mainly consists of cereals like wheat, barley and rice. From this they made different preparations. Words like yava, godham, vidhi, etc. can be found in the Vedic literature. Yava means barley, godham means wheat and vidhi means rice. The Vedic people relished means love to eat milk, yogurt means curd, ghee, butter, honey. Black gram, udad, lentil means masoor, sesame and milk, meat were also a part of their diet. People in the Vedic period used cotton and woolen garments as you can see in this picture. They also used vakkals or clothes made from barks of trees. Similarly, animal skins were also used as clothing. Men and women used ornaments of gold, flower, garlands, strings made of beads, etc. A kind of pendant called Nishka, this is shown in the slide, seems to have been popular. It was also used as currency, as exchanging coins. As you can see in this slide about recreation and entertainment, they are talking about in the Vedic civilization. Singing, playing musical instruments, dance, board games, they are telling about chess, chariot race and hunting were the means of recreation, entertainment. Their main musical instruments were veena, shatung, cymbals which they have shown in the slide and the conches. Percussion instruments like they are making sound like damru is a smaller one which they have shown in the picture and the ridang is a larger one were also used.